Look, we've all been there. That moment when you feel like you've conquered the world. That post-workout feeling where you're convinced you could climb Everest, no problem at all. You feel invincible, like a human energy drink commercial, buzzing with vitality and strength. Then you wake up the next day and reality hits you like a ton of bricks. Your body feels like it did a shift in a cement mixer, every muscle screaming in protest. That was me after my ill-advised attempt at a marathon. I thought I could handle it, but boy was I wrong. Let's just say, I learned the hard way that ignoring recovery is like forgetting to pay your electricity bill. It catches up with you. You might get away with it for a little while, but eventually everything just grinds to a halt. Your body demands rest and you have no choice but to listen.
Here's the thing about exercise. It's basically controlled destruction. When you lift weights or run, you're pushing your body to its limits. You're literally breaking down muscle fibers, causing tiny tears in the tissue. But, and this is important, your body is a brilliant self-repairing machine. It knows exactly what to do to fix those tears. Given the right fuel, more on that later, and enough rest, it rebuilds those muscles stronger than before. This is why nutrition and sleep are crucial. Think of it like this. Exercise is like taking a hammer to your muscles, in a good way mostly. You're breaking them down to build them up. Recovery is giving them the time and materials to rebuild into a glorious Greek statue-like physique. This is where rest days and sofa sessions come in. Okay, maybe not quite a Greek statue, but you get the idea. Your body needs that downtime to come back even better.
So you've rested your weary limbs after a tough workout. What next? It's time to feed the beast within. And no, sadly, that doesn't mean demolishing a family-sized pizza. Although a slice or two wouldn't hurt, hydration is key. Water is your body's best friend after a workout session. It's like a refreshing hug for your dehydrated cells. Next up, protein. It's the building block of muscles and helps repair all that microscopic damage you inflicted during your workout.
Here's the thing, recovery isn't just about collapsing on the couch after a workout, although again, highly recommended. It's about giving your body the time it needs to repair and grow stronger. It's about actively planning it into your routine, just like you would with your workouts.
Think of it as a crucial part of your fitness regimen, not an afterthought. Just like lifting weights or sprinting, your muscles need this time to rebuild.
Stretching is your best friend. It helps maintain flexibility and prevent injuries. It's like giving your muscles a good post-workout massage, easing out the tension.
Foam rolling is another great option. It helps break up scar tissue and improve blood flow. It might look a little strange, but trust me, your muscles will thank you. Consistent recovery practices can make a huge difference in your overall performance and well-being.